Hello, it's me. That's right, it's Gina from WTI.
I absolutely loved karaoke. In fact, it's something that my husband and I do on a weekly basis. I've used many different karaoke machines in the past, but I am beyond impressed by the sound quality of this Dalton machine.
Not enough, but I still stay.
It has Bluetooth connection. It's really easy to connect from your phone, not just for the vocals to come out, but also for the music as well. This has a 15-inch woofer and it's been manufactured with a wooden box, which means its sound quality is so much better than ones that are manufactured with plastic boxes. And you can tell that right off the bat.
I got my knuckles blue. I laid.
So when we sing, we like to have a little bit of echo. You can also adjust the treble, the bass, not just on the music, but also on the microphone as well. One of the other things I love about this is that it is chargeable. So you don't have to carry around a long cord and have to plug it in somewhere. The battery lasts for a really long time. Speaking of portability, this has 360-degree wheels. I love that because that means I can wheel it around anywhere I want. This is a professional machine that you can have fun just singing at home, or you can take it with you, have it at a gathering, at a friend's house, and you are gonna blow the roof off with how amazing the sound is.
You don't have to settle for less. Get a Dalton, it's the best, and that's my point of view.